Hi guys, Alvin Mark here. We're here at the old Bukit Timah railway station. It's defunct right now. Before we start this paint, let's take a little tour of this area. Yes. Watching from overseas, this is called the Mimosa or Touch Me Not. Check this out. What did I do? How cool is that? Beginning to wonder why this event was held right after the Hungry Ghost Festival. Okay guys, look who I found here. She looks just like my mom. She's my mom. She's my cousin. How's it, guys? Thank you so much for organizing this. You did, right? Okay, cut! So you organized the one at Kallang?
Kallang.
Okay.
Kallang, I'm the one that is doing the registration.
Watch out for the one in Kallang. It's going to be really fun. So tune in to the next episode. It's the time of the month again, and we are here at the old railway track. In fact, all of us are spread out here at the railway track, sketching. Apparently they're going to turn this into a park. This one track here actually would take you all the way through to Malaysia, all the way to Burma. Hello!
I'm drawing here.
That's a felt pen or...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Are you an architect?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm BJ.
Oh, BJ, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Alvin. this was how they used to paint when they went out there to document war scenes. This was how it was done in the trenches.
That'll be fun.
So guest of honor was here, he was making some speeches and some of his colleagues were here, members of parliament. So that's why there's this elaborate setup with food. So like in every other event that I go to, let's go check out the food. I'm just wondering, why does it say complimentary ice water? Do we have to pay for hot water? Or do we have to pay for the rest of the food? Someday, guys, I'm gonna be upgrading to this camera over here. So just imagine carrying that easel with that camera, getting the 4K or 8K images for IMAX. Yeah. What are you working on today, or what do you plan to work on?
I started quite late because we had a booth of our sketches, so the minister was walking around. So I started an hour and a half late and some food first. So I'm just doing the station, the railway station. I don't think I have enough time to do the station master's quarters, but
Okay.
it's open today. The two buildings, usually they're fenced up and they're locked.
Special day, special event, only for urban sketches
The public also,
and the public.
Okay, hello everyone. Okay, thanks for coming down today for Bukit Timah Railway Station sketch walk. I'm Ben and this is Fabian. He's the one who created the event page for today as well.
Thanks to NParks and
URA
for
inviting us down.
Yeah.
So, in case you guys don't know, after today, this area will be closed for redevelopment into the rail corridor. But yes, this place is going to change in the next few years. So, we are very lucky to be able to capture it while it's still existing like this. Just for a show of hand, any newcomers for today? Okay.
Welcome.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Sanjana and I'm from India. I work here. Last month I came down here.
Wow, how do you find out about us?
Facebook.
Oh, Facebook.
Sugi, yeah, I've been following this group for a while, but only today I had the step up moment. Yeah.
Welcome.
It's still very architectural
It's alright. We have quite a number of architects
because
here.
I felt very hot. This is my second piece.
Second piece. Wow, where's
The
your
first one was a disaster.
That's what we all say. So in case you guys don't know, we normally have our official sketch walk on the last Saturday of every month. And so for this week is today, 31st August. And we'll normally post the details probably on a Wednesday or Thursday leading up to that Saturday. For those who wish to sketch more regularly, there's actually this group called IJOU. IJIOYOU. You can look it up, and we actually organize sketch walks every Saturday morning. And there's a group called Sunday Sketchers that also organizes every Sunday morning. So for those who are interested or have itchy hands and want to sketch more often, you can just apply to join the group and you can find all the event details on those groups.
Yeah, for those who are first timers, Urban Sketchers is actually a worldwide movement. So different cities will have their own chapters. And sometimes when we travel, we're going to meet up with friends and we'll go and sketch with them as well. So what we do is we focus on on-location sketching lah. So we don't take photograph and go back and sketch, or or we go and from memory sketch lah. So from direct observation, we sketch, we share online on our Facebook page or our Facebook group, right? So that's generally what we do.
Okay, yell if you hear a train, right? Really? Train! Ah!
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining us this episode. Yeah, we're here with the Urban Sketchers and we just finished the month-end activity here at the old Bukit Timah railway station. It's hot, so it's time to pack up and leave. If you like my content, you know what to do. Until the next one, ciao ciao. The trench, it's so fun. Should I? Yeah, I think I should. Let's do it, guys.